Lesson 3, Economics, Class 12. We will continue with macroeconomics, and today we will do Unit 6, which is money and banking. But in this lesson, I will only teach money. Now, what is the definition of money? Money is anything that is generally accepted as a medium of exchange, a measure of value, and means for standard of deferred payment. Now, there are two things to understand in it. The term money is used to cover all such things like coin, currency notes, checks, etc. Money can be any commodity chosen by common consent as an instrument of exchange of goods and services. So, what is money supply? It refers to the total volume of money held by the public at a particular point of time. And what are its features? First, it includes money held by the public. Money signifies money using sector, that is, individuals and business firms. It does not use money creating sector, which is government and banking system. And secondly, it is a stock concept. It is concerned with a particular point of time. Now, measures of money supply. M1 is known as the transaction money as it can be used directly for making transactions. It has two components. One is currency and coins with public and demand deposits with commercial banks. From the formula you can see M1 is equal to currency and coins with public plus demand deposits with commercial banks plus other deposits with RBI. But other deposits with RBI is a very insignificant portion, and that is why it hardly affects the money supply. So let's see each one by one. The first one, currency and coins with public. It consists of paper notes and coins with the public. It includes coins of various denominations and paper notes called currency money, which is also termed as fiat money. Fiat money is defined as order by the government to act as money, which can be used to accept debts. It is also referred to as legal tender money. The second is demand deposits of commercial banks. These deposits are the deposits that can be encashed by issuing checks at any time by the account holders. A demand deposit is treated as equal to currency held as it is readily accepted as a means of payment. Note: only net demand deposits are included. Interbank deposits are excluded. Interbank deposits are deposits held by banks on behalf of other banks and do not form a part of money supply as they belong to the public. Other deposits with RBI. It includes deposits held by the RBI on behalf of foreign banks and government, public financial institutions, World Bank, IMF, etc. However, it does not include deposits of the Indian government and commercial banks with RBI. It constitutes a very small proportion of M1. Therefore, they do not have any significant role to play in the monetary policy formulation. Now, what is high powered money? It is money produced by the RBI and the government. It consists of currency held by the public and cash reserves of the banks. Please note that only M1 is in your syllabus. So, with this, we come to the end of lesson number 3.